What's up, y'all, man? Early and often. I'm out here in Monroe, Georgia. I'm here helping a friend of mine, power washing buddy, KB, Brown's pressure washing. We do this property a few times a year just to keep it maintained. It's a pretty large property. So right now we're cleaning. This is a grave site or a cemetery for their son. So we always, for the last several times I've been here, I've been the one to have to tackle this. And when I get here, I always pay my respects, let the young fella know that we're here to take care of him, to clean him up, so that, he grants us permission, if you will, to come on in here and get him tight. It's a difference when people take pride in what it is that they've accomplished in life, man, and then you gotta respect it, them and their families, man. But I just thought I'd chime in with y'all real quick just to give you a little overview of what we got going on today. Sammy down there banging, and I kind of share with him the sentiments of how, I respect the space, man. I respect the space, and I wanted to pass it on to him so that we're all on the same page. You know what I'm saying? It is what it is, man. Y'all wash on. Y'all continue to kill it out there. Crush it out there. And don't take no wooden nickels. And by all means, be prepared for it when it comes. Because when it comes, and if you ain't, it's going to pass you by. Y'all wash on.